How to see Spectrum call history. To access your Spectrum call history, start by signing into your Spectrum account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section on the dashboard. If you have multiple Spectrum services like the mobile option to view mobile related details, under the statements section, locate the statement details and choose the date of the statement you wish to review. Scroll down to the services section where you will see a list of devices associated with your account. Select the device for which you want to check call history by clicking on it. Within the device details, find the calls, text, and data option and click on it to proceed. Here you will see a list of call records, text messages, and data uses associated with that device. Use the available filters to sort through the records by calls, text, or data for easier navigation. Verify the details to ensure you are viewing the correct information such as call duration, timestamps, and recipient numbers. For further tracking or billing inquiries, you can revisit the statement section and repeat the process for other devices and dates. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.